Ooh. Oh my god!
Jesus.
Pooped on your lips.
Dude.
My square butthole.
Asshole.
He's got a square butthole.
Or then Jacob, now it's gonna be you. Oh. Watch, I'm about to summon my fart.
Why did you say that?
Right out another one. No, fuck you.
Oh my god.
Farting more?
Hold up. Oh, I'm a shit.
Worked out great. But what? You're not funny. Go put on a blue shirt.
Oh, you got Lysol.
No, I'm just hanging out the Lysol, sorry.
We get a colored one.
Give him the smallest one. Yeah, I have a colored one. Oh my god!
You just shit yourself.
You will not regret
You may
it.
need to go check.
He was like,
Yeah, Aaron, you check if you...
Call me James Swayze.
Aaron, go check your butthole.
You almost got
Go check your butthole, I'm pretty sure you pooped.
I may have pooped.
God damn. I really wish we were recording like fucking upstairs when we were fucking farting. When you were farting. I farted like 3 times. No, wait, I'm gonna go.
that was anticlimactic.
I thought it was gonna be more.
Post fart face.
Junior.
Hey.
I hope the camera can do that.
What was that? Was that you?
The chair held it in.
I can't go around him.
Oh my god.
The fact that he pointed it at me just made it worse.
Wait, everybody shut up.
Oh. I burned that.
Now, he already peed. Right there. Can we get him? Can we get him being like sad boy hour? Is there a bruise right here?
Oh, that's in a compilation.
We're eating! Basically. I'll be in the weight room and like, hold up, Gertson.
I gotta go record my fart for Aaron to make some
Turn the
more.
camera on. Turn the camera on. Oh, it's coming.
Kill him. No, Whitey. That one Lexi girl. Camera doesn't have to capture all of planning. Ouch, I got you.
Oh.
It was like 6. 6, but they were bigger. Oh my god.
Joey would get canceled.
How did I get canceled? I don't have any.
Hey, what was that? Ooh.
Yeah, that was me. I don't know how many.
Oh. This is pretty fun, dude.
Yes, but.
Yep.
Hey, listen, if you're ever just trying to ride my cock,
That's honestly how I felt my fart. Just. Oh.
Hold on, I'm trying to find it.
Oh, that's one for the notes. I'm waiting for.
Sweetest.
Is Joey coming? And
Oh my god.
dude, we share this house. If you're gonna rip ass, blow it out the doggy door. Someone who gets wet and hard to caught, I'd be like, don't talk shit on my account, talk shit to him.
Oh. Ooh, that fart was unsettling.
Right by my face, boy.
I know you liked it though.
Oh, you did my baby. Oh.
Ow! I'm on my keys.
The voicemails I give to Joey.
Goddamn. I'm gonna go babe some women tonight.
Quit forcing them.
Sorry.
That's where I sleep.
I have a defense mechanism now.
Kind of sad.
You have any leftover wings?
Joey, let me say hello to you in my native language.
Took one of Isaac.
It's the first time Tristan's like ever farted.
This ball's broken.
Well, you're Becker? You're fucking. Your brother's also 21.
No.
Oh god, that was close. You just hit my Adam's apple.
Good time. I got shit.
That's gonna be loud. It's right next to the freaking camera.
I had to pinch it off.
I do got a shit though.
I'm gonna bring it with me so it can hear all my aggressive farts.
No!
Set it facing.
Oh my. Dude, I didn't even fart loud
You
enough.
held that one for that one.
I'm disappointed.
Let's go get TJ's so I can really blow up my asshole.
Clitosaurus Rex.
Okay. A fart.
It's because I walked in and like it was just dead silent. And then I turned left and I saw that. I was like, okay, they're here. I just don't know where.
Your way, Mexican.
Let me break this.
Yes, sir. And I'm writing instructions for the order.
I don't know how low I can
He'd be like a baritone.
She dropped him.
Thank you.
Nice little clip.
You just farted on Kale's shit, bro.
It's like a zipper.
That was unnecessary, Jacob. I'm gonna have to ask you to not do that.
This thing was loaded, bro.
Dude, my asshole's hairy though. Why are you farting on the camera, dude? This thing's gonna smell like absolute bunghole.
You shit. That one was bad.
Oh, no way. Oh, no. No fucking way. Oh, no way. No. Oh my god. I hope you shit yourself.
I ate it slow.
You're a weirdo.